everyone, I'm Dr. Aparna Ray, board certified facial cosmetic and hair transplant surgeon. I'm working in Clion for last 2 years and it's a great experience working here. So to be very precise, here in Clion we are targeting facial cosmetic procedures and hair transplant. Today I'll be discussing more about the hair transplant techniques. So basically there are two techniques, that is FUE and FUT. However, with the advancement of the recent era, we are targeting more into the FUE technologies for the general population. As a hair transplant expert, I prefer FUE technology for implementing all my skills to graft the area and then deliver the results, because it is absolutely minimally invasive and painless procedure. The only pain that you will have is while injecting the local anesthesia. So I'll be discussing a few more points in depth so that it is easy for the general population to understand that what is FUE method of hair transplant. So this method is a very simplified technique in which we try to take the graft from the safe donor area, which is the back of the scalp region, and depending on the grade of the baldness, we extract the follicles and then implant in the region of the baldness, depending on the area, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 and up to grade 7. So this FUE method here in Clion is a very successful method, and we are delivering results. Like over thousands of surgeries have been already done in our clinic and good results have been delivered because it is absolutely painless and minimally invasive. Apart from that, there are very few or you can say there are no complications at all. If the instructions are properly followed, the consultations are taken very in depth with the patient, and if the patient complies with the techniques, then everything goes well and the patient gets the hair growth at approximately 5 months to 6 months after the hair transplant surgery.